The origin of mannequins dates back to the 18th century. Dress forms used for the craft of dressmaking and displaying fashion. It is incredible that even until today, it's the ultimate form of display in every clothing store around the world. It is our ambition to adapt that traditional product and turn it into contemporary design. Every day we challenge the human body form and search for its character. Creating characters is our specialty, it's what we love and what we do best. Driven by craftsmanship, powered by innovation. It is our goal to produce highly attractive and easy-to-use mannequins with great finishes and outstanding poses. We constantly study anything that can influence our mannequins. New store concepts, design and material innovations or production possibilities. We really do take the mannequin to another level where it has never been before. In the last 10 years, the retail world changed drastically. Also the challenges of the modern-day designer. Developing a bespoke mannequin range was traditionally a time and cost-consuming process. With our current 3D possibilities, we can be more creative, faster and more cost-efficient than ever before. We can realize a life-size proto in less than a week. Endless possibilities. Mannequins are a part of our everyday life. No matter where you're from or what lifestyle you live, you come across mannequins. For me, it's a great honor and pleasure to be part of that. My name is Marco Ouwekerk, owner of Boodt Mannequins, and I'm a mannequin maker.